Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix update requested on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you want to install a new software, then it's showing here update requested. So how can you fix this issue? I have some tips and tricks for that. What you have to do is just simply open settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, then you have to tap on Wi-Fi, and what you have to do is just simply turn the toggle off for this, and after 20 or 30 seconds you have to turn it on again and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings again, and then what you have to do is just simply tap on channel, and then you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone. From here you have to tap on reset, and from here you have to tap on reset network setting. Give your passcode here, and after that tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. So after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not, and if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings again, and then what you have to do is just simply turn the aeroplane mode on, and after 20 or 30 seconds then turn it off again, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings, go to channel, and then you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone. Then you have to tap on reset, then tap on reset all setting, give your passcode here, and then you have to tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no tetrameter will be deleted. So after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's the guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.